technology, research, training, quality, management control, experience, wholesale service. Manipul puts your industry in motion. Since 1944, Manipul is an Argentine company devoted to the setting of conveyor systems for material handling. A team of highly qualified engineers and constant research and technological updating allows Manipul to offer solutions with high-quality designs in such a way that clients reach the necessary production levels. Manipul's quality and planning systems are a significant contribution when the time comes to start a project and to follow it until it's turnkey issue. This is the reason why many of the great market leader companies use these equipments. Manipul works for different types of industries and in every case applies a strict management control to ensure better results from the beginning of the works. Permanence in the market ensures clients assistant service during the total time of the setting, plus a complete lot of spare parts of repositioned pieces. Manipul's mission is to accompany its clients in their search for better technological solutions, which beat quality and production expectations. It's being done since 1944, with the highest quality standards, know-how, research, modern technology, and a highly efficient assistant service. This is why, when a great company needs to have its industry in motion, it trusts Manipul.